Hey there, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take terribly programmed drum parts and put some really sick real drums to it. So Bobby Torres and I have collaborated on writing a song together, and normally what happens when I do session work is a client sends me over programmed drum parts. Now oftentimes this is really good or it could be really bad, but normally they just have programmed drum parts as a placeholder to kind of keep the time for their scratch guitars. So how this is going to work is I'm going to show you the scratch drums and then I'm going to show you the live drum recording. So let's start off the song here. Okay, so as you can hear, it's kind of like a laid back cut time on the snare, and I didn't really feel that drew in the listener right away, so here's what I did. Okay, now you can tell that I went double time right away, and then at the end of that, transitioning into the verse, I did a quick drum fill, so you know something faster is coming up. And of course I had to add double bass. So let's listen what he did for this next part. Okay, so you get the idea. It's just basically kind of a placeholder rock beat and close hi-hats, and then he opens them up as the guitar riff starts to open up. So let's take a listen to what I did. So in this verse, I decided to go with blast beats because it's like the first 30 seconds of a song. And if you know the structure of writing a hit song, in this case, it's not going to be a hit song, but when you write a hit song, in the first 30 seconds, you want to get to the chorus, right? So you want to hook the listener and kind of sink it in so that they'll listen to the rest of the song. And that was the idea with blast beats because it's going to be a reoccurring event throughout the rest of the song. Now, I kept the upbeat on the snare going back into the pre-chorus because I want to keep that driving feel going forward to this, what you'll see next, okay? So let's have a listen to what he did in the pre-chorus with his programmed drums. Okay, pretty simple. Let's hear what I did. And you'll notice I didn't really change all that much. I just added a few 16th notes on the kick drum, but the fill right here, I really wanted to capture what the riff was playing, so I wanted to complement the music there. And I think it worked out pretty well. So let's hear what he has for the chorus. That end there on the snare and the floor, really important, right? Let's listen to the rest. Okay, awesome. Still program sounding. Let's hear what I did. Okay, so I really got this Black Dahlia Murder vibe from the song originally. He said it was like Castlevania or Wolfenstein-esque kind of feel. So I really needed to put in some blast beats and kind of some old miasma style Shannon Lucas drumming on it. So with this chorus, I kept a lot of it the same as to what he had programmed, but with that tom fill, I also wanted to keep that similar because I thought it really complemented the song, this part. Right, and just having it wide open was a nice spot for the song to lead up to, right, to make it feel much bigger than it actually is. So then towards the end of this chorus, I did build up. Okay, and the build up obviously leads back into the intro. So I wanted to kind of create something dynamically here that kind of sucks you right back into that feel. So let's hear what he did in the intro again with the program drums. Okay, not bad, but there's room for improvement. So this is how I improved it. A little bit of accented fills in there. I mean, it's a little bit of overplaying, but it sits pretty nice. So I wanted to keep that drivingness going forward again, right? So let's hear the next part and how he programmed the drums to sound. Okay, so when it breaks into that kind of melody thing there in the bridge with his solo, I really wanted to keep that as the harmony or the melody of the song, right? So let's hear what I did. Last beat, build up. Okay, so you notice that he's doing like some finger work there on the guitar, and I wanted to match that with the drums to help accentuate where it was going, and then it opens up to that melody, and I just lay the drums back so the guitar could do all the talking, right? So here we go again. Okay, and you notice how it's like open and then it goes back into the chorus. Let's listen to what the program drums are doing, and then we'll finish off the song. He does a whole Travis Barker thing. Cut time, punk time, double time. Okay, let's see what I did. Kept it big. Got some synths in there. Bring it back down. Okay, so I did some cymbal swells at the end because you could see here on the session itself, outro, cool cymbal work, question mark. So yeah, he goes to something clean, and I wanted to do something roomy on the drums, just keep it on the rim like a side stick and the hat. So let's take a listen. Pretty vibey, pretty chill. Tasteful kick drums. And I really wanted to end it with the ride cymbal because the song called for that. And especially in those blast beat parts where his guitar work needed to be accented on the bells during those blast beat parts, I really felt that idea should come back at the end of the song to kind of encapsulate the whole song as an entire thing, you know? And that's basically it with this whole song. So if you're ever looking for any information on how to structure your drum parts for songs, then let me know down in the comments below. Or if you have any tricks or tips that can help other drummers watching this video, then please let them know. And I'd be more than happy to help them out if you had any questions too in regards to all this stuff. So thanks so much for watching this video, and look out for the next video over on Bobby's channel, Frightbox Recording. The information will be down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. My name's Cameron, and I'll see you in the next video.